Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to watch someone's Instagram story anonymously. So here, you can't watch someone's Instagram story anonymously. Instagram always records who views a story, so there's no legit way to hide your username. So if the person's account is public, you can open Instagram and tap the search bar and here type their name and go to their profile and watch their story. But take note that Instagram will still show your username in their viewers list. If the account is private, you must be an approved follower to see stories. Trying to bypass that would invade someone's privacy and could get you blocked or worse. And better option, you can follow them and wait for the approval. You can politely ask to be added to their close friends or message them or request permission. If privacy is your concern, considering using your own private account or adjust your story settings instead. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.